Learn how to bulk delete emails in Gmail in just few seconds. The first step you need to take is to get to your Gmail mobile app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on that Gmail. Once it opens, you can long press on one of the emails, alright, that you want to delete. Once you long press, you can tap on select all, alright? Tap on that box. This will select all the emails in your inbox. So you can take your time and start on checking, tapping on those ones you don't want to delete right away. Note that the first 50 is mass selected. Alright? So when you finish on checking those ones you don't want to be deleted, along, then tap on the delete icon which is at the top. Then you can see these 28 emails have been moved to bin. Then let's talk about another way you can mass delete. Let's use the search option. So tap inside the place where you have search email. Then let's say you want to delete a particular email from a particular sender. So type the name, and here let's use print full, all right, because I've gotten a lot of email from them which I don't want to have in my inbox again. After that, tap on the search button. So this will filter down all the emails coming from Printful. The next step is to long press on one of the filters. On long pressing on one, you will see it is selected. Then tap on the select all button. Then the next step is to hit the delete icon which is at the top. So all the emails from Printful have been deleted. If this helps, consider subscribing, okay? Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section so that YouTube will push this video to more people. See you some other time.